Page 4, Allegro. Allegro is another Italian word and it means different things to different people. Some say it's fast, some say it's happy. This says it's lively or whatever. To me, it just means fast. Not super duper fast because there's fasters than this, but Allegro just means fast to me. It's all subjective anyway because you think, well, how fast? I don't know, just fast. Yeah. Let's look this over. It's 2 lines long, pretty short. Treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature. Got quarter notes, whole notes, half notes. Do that okay? We are playing the hands at the same time here, so let's look out. I'm going to kind of take them both together though because it works out okay. Normally I like to take it one hand at a time then put them together, but I think we can handle them together. So at the beginning, the left hand's on middle C here, and the right hand has a thumb on E, and I'm assuming you know the names of the notes in the music. Come on. So you're here, and you're playing the E and the C together, and the whole note you're going to hold it down. And then again together. Now just the right hand, then left. And together again. And together again. And then one at a time. So you put the hands together. You get the notes and the rhythms okay. Go as slow as you need to go, and then go back over and get rid of the hesitation so it is a steady beat. And once you can do that, there's no articulation given here, so you pretty much just connect everything. You can listen for the phrasing and lift up between the phrases if you want to. In this piece, it's, well, it's almost like every 2 measures is a phrase. So you lift up here. Now, lift up. Lift up. Just lift up every couple measures or so. If you'd rather play the whole line as one phrase and connect the whole line and then lift up at the end of the line, that's fine. It's different ways of interpreting it. The music doesn't say anything. As far as the dynamics goes, F means loud and P means soft. So the first line is loud and the second line is soft. But that's the melody. These whole notes, can you play them soft? Keep them in the background. We want to hear this. And in the second line, when you're playing it soft, how soft can you play the whole note? I want to hear. Hear that. Don't play them the same. If you can, you're playing one hand a little heavier than the other. The left hand's very light on the whole notes. Now when you get to the quarter notes, it's all melody, so it's the same. And whatever. So put in the dynamics. Finally the speed. It says cheerfully. I think they mean Allegro, but it's how you feel. It needs to be happy. So think happy. That's an order. That's my happy, because it's in the morning and I haven't had enough coffee yet. I'm working on it. So you do your happy and thing. Let's play it together very slowly and double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics, so I'm going to play it all about the same. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 4, 4. 2, 3, 4. 4. 4. Off. There's a duet for this. I'd like to play that. And you play what we just played. But I want to speed it up somewhat. And I need you to go up an octave on the keyboard again. So just pretend middle C goes up to here. And instead of here, you're up here. Now be careful because the duet part, my part, is totally different than yours. So you got to focus on what you're doing and keep the beat steady or this won't work. 1, 2, ready, go.